Next up, we'll check out Varli Magazine's charity event at the Devi restaurant in New York City to raise funds for the magazine's nonprofit, the Diya Foundation. The foundation raises money for children across the world. Let's join everyone at Devi and learn more about it. We'll hear some words from foundation executives, various restaurant owners, and celebrity guests who came to show their support.
We recently had Indian Restaurant Charity Week, where participating restaurants were offering prefix menus on discounted rates to the guests. And each participating restaurant is donating between 5 to 10% of sales to the Varli Foundation for Children, which we are giving to the Sandy Hook Elementary School's victims' families. And tonight is the restaurant charity dinner.
Today with the Diya Foundation, which is one of the new offshoots of the Varli magazine, being supported again by our companies. This fundraiser tonight happening at the Devi restaurant is in lieu of the Indian Restaurant Charity Week that happened a couple of weeks ago. So about 50 or 75 restaurants actually participated in raising funds for the Sandy Hook in Newtown, Connecticut. So we are raising funds for this unfortunate tragedy at this point. Diya Foundation is going to be very actively promoting and raising funds for children across the world.
I'm here today at the Varli event with the Diya Foundation supporting the children of the Sandy Hook tragedy, or supporting the families of the Sandy Hook tragedy. And we're here to raise awareness, which most people do know about, but also money for the Diya Foundation.
Well, this is a great achievement, a great work by Varli for the kids. And here comes our chef partner, Bachan Rawat. And it's a great team, and probably we are there for the last 14 years, and we are always there to support the kids.
Hello, I'm Rohan Agarwal. I'm the owner of Devi Restaurant. I would really like to thank Ricky and Varli for letting us host this lovely event. I'm truly humbled by the people from the industry at this event. We would sincerely congratulate Diya on the first step with this event, and it's a great cause. We would love our community to come together and do many more events like this to be a successful.
I'm Shiv Das. I'm president of Jack's Knights Merchant Association, and this group, Dikubai and others, they are doing the Diya Foundation. They are helping the kids in India, and we should all participate and help our country and kids. This is a very good cause, and admire Dikubai and the group for this. And we will all support it.
The whole purpose of the Diya Foundation is really not only helping children, but it has a huge social cause. And I believe in having social initiatives. So therefore, together, it's a strong partnership, and I'm here to help. And of course, enjoy some wonderful food as well.
Festival and celebrating, Restaurant Week and giving to a charity is really important, I think, for all of us to do. We've been given so many lovely privileges of living in the best country in the world, in USA. So if we just give back a little bit, I think it's really important. And I totally support Varli for doing that. So congratulations to them. And, as being a South Asian, we love food. So I'm very excited to be here and celebrate with all of them and support the charity and also enjoy some food.
Varli event, such a pleasure to be here. It's an honor, really. I mean, Varli has been doing such good things, and now to have the Varli Foundation for Charity and to be involved in it and to be able to come and celebrate the success of the Varli Charity Week.
We'll now see the special check presentation to the Diya Foundation. Congratulations to Varli Magazine and the Diya Foundation on a successful fundraiser. It's time for just one more short break, but we'll be right back, so stay tuned.